friends, Running Kimono here, and today's video is a little bit different. I think this is a message that you can take in any walk of life. You can take this to work, in life, your hobby of couponing, however you want to take it. I think the message is really, really profound, that if you are going to walk through life with a negative lens on absolutely everything, everything will be a lot harder and more challenging for you to have success with, including this hobby of extreme couponing. But if you walk with a bit more positivity, a little bit of can-do, a little bit of a heart of a student about everything. Because you know what? In this ever-evolving world of extreme couponing, it seems like, the manufacturer, the stores, the this, the that, they're always throwing something new into the mix. Thus, we always have to learn something new, and something new is there. And if you don't know something is how it works, or if something is just really different, you can have an opinion. I mean, we're all allowed to have an opinion. But right off the bat to say, it's awful, it's the worst thing, it's a booster, guys. It's not going to, it's not the end of things. So where this all stems from is, I believe on Wednesday night, I made a video because on Wednesday night, this specific booster showed up. Make 6 purchases and spend $50 each. Purchase, earn $50 in Walgreens cash. You have an entire month to do that. We do not know the digital coupons that we're going to get for the month. And if you look at a calendar of 5 Sundays in this month, I think it's super doable, because if you think about it, every Sunday, if you have like an 11 back when you spend 50, and this will be tracking, it's exceptionally doable. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to, but to load the booster, it's completely free, so why not give it a shot? And a lot of you got the smaller one, which was $25 purchases times 6, get $50 back, so it'd be like $150. That's also fantastic. But to just say, this is nonsense, absolutely not, $300 out the door, this is garbage. You can use digital manufacturers, register rewards that are manufacturers with these boosters, which we always do. We never pay exactly 50 on the nose. I don't know where that's coming from. And it's just, let's leap to a conclusion, jump to something that's super negative, and say that something's garbage without giving it a shot. If I'm just going to be smart here for 20 seconds, I'm going to say that Rite Aid every other week is doing a 15 back when you spend 50, and Walgreens is trying to catch up. My stupid theory here. So going back to this, I think the best thing to do, that when there's a new, change in the program, when something happens, you can be unhappy. Obviously, you can have an opinion. But when you're just being negative, just to be negative, because none of us have worked with this booster, that's the truth of it, guys. Like, what's the bonus of just getting all excited for nothing? If you can answer that for me, go for it. Yes, $300 is jarring, but there's a method to the math, and there's a lot of very smart subscribers who have deals, other influencers I work with deals, and I'm pretty good with math as well. So I think between the three, we can figure out something for the month. Plus, we have 5 Sundays. I think it's exceptionally doable. I think the best thing to do is to stay calm. The boosters are free to load. It's not going to cost you $300 to load that booster. Free to load. And if it is absolute and total garbage, it'll just live in your digital coupons folder. No biggie. And, I think the people that have the most amount of success with extreme couponing are always willing to try something new because it might be good. If you're just going to dismiss something and say, this is awful, this is bad, this is garbage, then that's okay. But you're never going to know unless you try, right? I mean, that's like anything in life. And I can't stress that enough. I think if you walk through life being a bit more of an optimist, saying, hey, let's see where this takes us, it might take you really far. And again, with a booster, it's going to be nothing out of pocket, and it's either going to work one way or the other. But with 5 Sundays on the calendar, I think it's going to work really well. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.